What is going on, YouTube family, and welcome to another video. If you guys are wondering where exactly I am, that means that you haven't watched my previous video with all the description, all the links with how you can stay at this incredible beachfront mansion with $1 million view in the background. Now, I cannot tell you guys how good it is to be back at the beach, just being able to hear the waves come in, to just get the smell of like the salt water, the sea sand, and the spot is absolutely incredible. But the only food that I brought is my protein shake that is currently being used as a tripod for my camera. But that was all part of the plan because this area is absolutely incredible. Down on the coast, well, it's actually north coast in South Africa, in Ballito, and it's just a really fun place to be, a really cool place to be. So I'll tell you guys with me, we're going to go to the shopping centers, try and see if there's anything else that we can eat, maybe something that doesn't take too much effort that we can just throw into the oven, because I don't know if you guys saw it in the other video, but the kitchen is really cool. So that is what we're working with. Really massive, really big kitchen. So that is what we're going to do. Clayton's just chilling on the couch. He's watching some golf, just catching up. Straight out of my bedroom we have this awesome pool with that view. So what my plan is, I didn't bring any baggies and I can't go in with these pants, so we'll maybe look at the shops, make a plan, because I definitely want to get in there, spend some afternoon, not a cloud in the sky. It's probably the most perfect day we could have come here. You see the ship still sailing in the background, and I'm definitely going to be in there in a few minutes. See the shopping center across the road, and then this shopping center down here is also really busy. Got lots of cars going on. We got a little bit lost, but it worked out alright because we actually passed one of my uncle's old houses, so that was cool. So this is the mall we're going through. Down there was actually a cheeky Nando's that we thought about going in, but we chose not to. Remember, always in public, follow the rules of the government. You got to wear a mask. I know lots of you know Clayton, he's a little bit shy sometimes in the vlog, but there he is. So smash the thumbs up button for Clayton and let's go find some food. This mall has been like so transformed and really done up really nicely since the last time we were here a couple of years ago. This is side is more into like a retail side and high-end restaurants, and we're just looking for something that we can just throw in like an oven or a microwave and eat it. But you can see all the like finishing touches and everything are really nice. Still with a cool nature vibe. We're gonna walk around the corner here and see if we run into any better luck. It's a nice art shop there. We ended up walking all the way from there, not finding anything, so we went all the way to the bottom there and got some Woolworths, because you can't go wrong with Woolworths. Their quality is pretty good. So we ended up, I got one and Clayton got one for us to dinner. So that's for me, that's a chicken roti, which looks delicious. 4 pieces that I'm going to devour. Clayton got himself one also, and then we're spoiling ourselves for lunch with some kauai or kawaii. You guys said how you want, I say kauai, Clayton says kawaii, and we got some wraps, some smoothies, so we're gonna go check that out. But all in all, the center's upgraded so nicely, really busy, and you can see that's why there are so many cars here. You got the palm trees, nice and clean, security making sure everything's running smoothly, and then a nice little sail like a mini Dubai up there. We are back now at the house, so I thought I'd show you guys what we got. These are called the Gem Smoothies by Kauai. and it's all from recycled materials, which is really, really good to see. Any little bit helps. Recycled straws. And then we got these wraps. Me and my brother used to live on these when we were training every day for rugby and gymming. Always after training sessions we'd go and pick these up. They're called the princess wraps. So they just have like a lot of chicken in it, some nice lettuce, some sweet and sour sauce. These are delicious. So we picked one of these up each. And like I said, this is what we got for dinner. We were just reading on it. This is a kg, so we're going to eat a kg each. Per 250 grams, there are 2,000 kilojoules. So quick maths, that is 10,000 kilojoules that we're going to be consuming each for dinner, which is why when you see me swimming, I have a dad bod now. But Clayton's like starving, wanting to get into it, so we're going to jump into it and then we'll show you guys when we're outside and enjoying the afternoon. It sounds like I'm talking next to like a propeller of an airplane because there's so much wind here, but absolutely loving it. Been at the shops, been an awesome day, but now it's time to train, so I thought I'd quickly just give a run over what we're doing to make sure we hit the whole body while staying active while on holiday. I was going to do a time lapse, but I don't know if you guys really want to see that or not. So if you guys want to see more gym content, let me know below and I'd love to show you. We're going to start off by using this. We're going to do an incline push-up. Straight from there we're going to use the bands and do bicep curls. Then we're going to do explosive leg ups. Nearly fell over when I did that. Then we're going to do upright rows and shoulder press, tricep dips. We're going to do walking lunges and then some sprints. So it's going to be super quick. It's probably going to take us around 20 minutes. We're going to do 4 sets, 12 repetitions of each. Nice and quick, get the heart rate going. And then you can see it's a little bit cold outside, but I didn't bring a jersey because I thought, you know, we're coming to the beach, but it is winter in South Africa, so let's get into it. We decided to just come take a walk on the beach because it's been closed for over 3 months now due to COVID-19. They didn't want anyone on the beaches, so they didn't want crowding of people. People wouldn't do safe spacing, but they've opened it now, so I'm sipping away at some protein. You can hear the wind is still pumping and howling, but it's so beautiful to be out here. And I thought, why not just walk up and down, take some B-roll, show you guys some of the houses here, and just why we love this area so much. So I said it was my mission to come and get in this pool no matter what the weather is before tomorrow. It was getting overcast, the sun was setting, and I thought, you know what, sometimes you just got to do it. So I came and jumped in the pool, absolutely freezing. You guys can see the little arm hairs on my arms are really standing up. But I want to thank you guys so much if you're still watching at this point. I had so much fun filming here, so much fun touring the house. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out on my channel. And like I said, take 2 seconds over and smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together, and improve little by little every single day to achieve our goals and keep on spreading Africa to the world. And absolutely everything for this house, if you would like to stay in this absolute beast of a beachfront mansion with views unobstructed for as far as you can see. Everything will be in the description. I'm not paid to say that. They're just a lovely couple, and I would really appreciate you guys supporting them and getting to stay at this place. So I'll see you guys in the next video.